Hello. I did a pendulum reading to see if the jellyfish UAP video showed an actual extraterrestrial vehicle of some kind. And the pendulum answered yes. And I've done quite a lot of pendulum readings in the past, and they've all been accurate. And I've also predicted about the previous US election of 2020. I was right about that as well. You can check my YouTube videos and you'll find it in there. But here I use this pendulum. This is one of the pendulums I use. I have a few of them. And I'll show you the quick scene of the jellyfish UAP. It's great that Jeremy Corbell shows these videos, lets the world see these videos. He's doing some great work there. And, oh, sorry, I forgot. The other question I had asked was whether there would be other types of UAP, unusual craft shapes, spotted around the world. And the pendulum answered yes to that question. So we'll see how accurate this reading is. Okay, thank you. Bye.